Hi, I'm Chris Stokes, founder of Cornerstone Appliance Training. Thank you for checking out this sneak peek of our appliance repair course. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow your expertise, this course will guide you every step of the way. I'm excited to show you how appliance repair can open doors to a career that is rewarding and high in demand. With over 18 years in the appliance repair industry, I love the freedom of working for myself, setting my own hours, helping others, and earning the highest income of my career. Over 90% of U.S. homes have major appliances needing maintenance and repair. Think about it. Appliances are in every home, and when they break, someone has to fix them. That's where you come in. With proper training, you can start earning fast and enjoy the freedom of running your own business or working with a highly regarded company. With this training, you will be ready to take the first step of your new career. We also offer the free Appliance Tech Pro 2 AI Bot, a game-changing software for troubleshooting and repairing any appliance, complete with video tutorials. Our training program breaks everything down into simple, easy, step-by-step instructions. We focus on real-world skills, so you're ready to work as soon as you finish. And here's how it's structured. Our course is broken down into easy-to-follow modules. For example, here's a quick look at the demo, Introduction to Appliance Repair. Module 1, Fundamentals of Appliances. Module 2, Washer and Dryer Training. Module 3, Dishwasher and Hot Water Heaters. Module 4, Stove and Ovens Training. Module 5, Refrigerator Training. Module 6, Microwave Training. Each module includes engaging videos, practical exercises, and quizzes to test your knowledge. Here's an example of what you'll learn in the course. In this lesson, we cover washer and dryer training. This will help you test circuits and identify faulty parts. Don't worry if this looks new to you, we'll be here to guide you. First, let's talk about tools. You don't need an expensive toolbox to get started. These are the basics. A multimeter for testing electrical connections, a wrench, screwdrivers, nut drivers, pliers, and a flashlight, because visibility is important. Now let me show you something practical. Here's how to test an electrical outlet using a multimeter. First, set your multimeter to AC voltage. Insert the probes into the slots. If the reading is between 110 and 120 volts, the outlet works. If not, you've found the issue. Here's another example. Check out this washing machine. There seems to be a problem here. It's not properly draining. So first, check the pump for clogs. Remove the panel, locate the pump, and look for any debris. Simple steps like these save customers money and build trust in your work. Our Fundamentals of Appliance Repair course is designed to help you gain the skills needed for a high-demand career in appliance repair. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to what our students have to say.
When I purchased your course 3 years ago, I thought you were crazy when you claimed we could make $95,000 a year. Skeptical yet curious, I took the plunge, and I'm so glad I did. Today, I'm making over $220,000 a year, far exceeding my expectations. The training provided me with the skills and confidence to succeed in the appliance repair industry. You truly changed my life, and I can't thank you enough, Chris.
I called you almost every day for about 3 weeks, and I can't thank you enough for your patience and support. You consistently encouraged me to review the shortcut troubleshooting videos, which were incredibly helpful. Fast forward to today, and I now own 3 trucks with 3 appliance techs working for me. I'm making over $300,000 a year, which is amazing considering I started as a complete beginner. Not bad for a young man from Michigan. Your guidance truly transformed my life.
These success stories are why I do what I do, helping others achieve their goals. That is the heart of Cornerstone Appliance Training. Ready to take the first step toward your new career? Enroll today and get instant access to all modules, resources, and expert support. Plus, enjoy flexible payment options to suit your needs. Our course is priced at $695, with a payment option of 3 installments at $232 each. There are no hidden fees. Plus, as a bonus, we'll mail you a free appliance troubleshooting and repair manual. Over 1,000 pages of expert tips and solutions. We just want to offer you everything you need to succeed. Don't wait. The sooner you start, the sooner you earn. Plus, with lifetime access, you can review the material anytime. Thank you for watching this demo. I can't wait to see you in the course. Visit cornerstoneappliancetrainingcourse.com to get started today. Remember, always be learning. Be blessed.